Hello and welcome back to Me and Mine. If this is the first time that you are here watching my videos, welcome. Welcome to the tour of my apartment. This is the grounds of the apartment. As you can see, there's a car park, but I unfortunately do not have a car yet. I'm going to be showing you around where I'm staying for the next month. And this here is the main entrance, which takes you into the actual building. You need a code to enter. This is something that I like. Security is very important for me, so I do feel safe here. It's very quiet and it's very residential and it's very neighbourly. I've got nothing bad to say about the area. The people are friendly, the owners of the apartments are friendly, and I couldn't ask for much more. Now, this here is my communal hallway. Okay, there are two other flats in the same hallway as me. This here is my apartment. This is the living dining area. It's open plan. I've got a widescreen TV, as you can see, a two-seater sofa. That three-seater there is a sofa bed, and that's a one-seater. This is the kitchen, which I think is quite nice and spacious. An American-style fridge. And an American-style stove. Right, I'm now taking you into the master bedroom. This is where I stay. I must say this bedroom has a beautiful view, both front and back. I've got a front balcony and a back balcony. There's baby girl there chilling out while she watches some TV. There's a storage cupboard here. And in this cupboard, I'm just storing some clothes. I'm not going to unpack. I'm only here for the month. I think it's long to unpack, so me and my daughters will be living out of the suitcase for the month. I'm now going to be taking you to the back balcony. This is where the washing machine is, and this is where I do the laundry and hang my clothes. There isn't a line for me to hang my clothes, so I've had to improvise. Can you see that view, guys? Beats London any day. Beautiful. Can you see my clothes hanging? I've had to improvise as there's no line. So this is how I dry our laundry. I have a washing machine here which shared with my neighbour. I've not met them yet. I'm also having to dry clothes in and around the house. Yes, so from here I am going to be taking you to the front balcony. This is the front of the premises, okay? They've got a car park here. Unfortunately, I have no car yet, so I'm on taxis. But beautiful view, guys. The weather's beautiful. I've got nothing bad to say about this place so far. This is private balcony, but I don't really go on there with the girls. As you can see, there isn't much security on the fencing, and I don't feel it's safe for my daughters, so they're not allowed out there. This here is an ensuite shower room. It is a very nice size, very clean. Shower has hot water. Yes, beautiful view again from the window. One thing I'm not feeling though are the mosquitoes. They're eating me alive. This is bedroom number 2. This is the room I use to study in, or do my vlogs, do my videos, if the girls are chilling out. Me and the girls, we all sleep in the same room. They don't feel comfortable on their own, and I don't blame them. It's new surroundings. They have to get used to where they are and adapt to their new environment. And then this bedroom brings you back into the front room. Good morning, guys. Me and my daughters have arrived safe and sound. It's now Wednesday the 11th, about 7:45 in the morning, and we're ready to hit the roads. I've got a busy week ahead of me. I've got a lot to do. Today, I'm going to do the basics, which is go to the bank, order a bank card for my account, get a Digicel SIM card, and get some food, because where I'm staying is self-catering, and I need to do some shopping. So I don't know how much of it I'm going to vlog, reason being, this is an expensive camera and I need to sort of observe my surroundings, okay, because obviously I don't want my camera to get nicked, right? So I will vlog some of it and you shall see me soon. Ash? Older sister's son. 2 birds up high. You see 2 birds? Oh. Yeah. Very cute. Good girls. Slowly, baby, slowly please, the potholes. So this is my new road. Look at this scenery compared to England. Beautiful. Look at these houses. Lovely. Right, so I'm currently making my way to a junction so I can pick up a route taxi to Ocho Rios. I took a walk this morning and I found a local and he told me where to go. So me and the girls are heading to that junction now and we're going to start our day. Wish me luck, guys. Right, so this is my grocery haul. This is everything I've purchased today downtown in Ocho Rios Market. I got myself £6 worth of rice, some sliced bread, we've got some fruits here, June plum, mangoes, a bag of steak, a big bag of steak that should last me and the girls a very long time. Massive bag of mutton, which should last me and my girls a long time. Sorry to my vegan subscribers if you're watching. More June plum. You need vinegar to wash your meat, guys. Now, I've got the girls some sweet milk because I'm not too sure about the cow's milk down here. So I'm not going to be consuming cow's milk here in Jamaica. I don't know why, but my instincts are telling me not to. Eggs. Oranges. Look, guys. Jamaican oranges are green. I'm sure this is the real colour. This is the colour oranges are meant to be. Right. Oil. Ketchup for the girls. A bit of sauce when I'm cooking. Onions, garlic, butter, soap powder. Alright, so just the necessities, really and truly. And the next clip I will be explaining to you like how much I've spent and converting that into pounds and making a comparison. Okay guys, so this is my receipt from today's shopping. In one shop I spent $9,846.76. I assume it's cents. That's Jamaican dollars. And in the second shop, where are we? I spent $7,619.63. Okay, so I'm going to convert this now from Jamaican dollars into pounds, UK sterling, just so I can get an idea of what I've spent. It was really just the basics. I've not bought anything substantial. Just stuff for dinner and breakfast, really, to last me and the girls for the next week or so. So after converting these Jamaican dollars into pounds, I have seen that I actually spent £102.35 on the weekly shop, which is very expensive indeed. My weekly shop in England would be about £60, so it's an extra £40 here in Jamaica. Now, after weighing up the pros and cons, yes, the food is expensive, but to be honest, guys, I'm making savings in other areas. For example, it's only $140 from where I'm staying into Ocho Rios, and when I did my conversions online, that came up to 87 pence. You can never get an 87 pence cab fare in England. So, you know, there are the pros and the cons. And I'm not complaining because the weather is beautiful. The people are lovely and wonderful and friendly, and so far I'm happy here. I've got nothing bad to say. People, I hope you're all okay. Day 2. I don't remember what day it is. I think say Thursday maybe, but the wind. I am sorry about the wind, guys. At the moment I am walking to the junction to get another taxi into Ochi because I got to sort out my bank. I got my bank card, but it's not working. My Leica mobile isn't working, and I've got a lot to do in the bank, so I'm just going to go down the bank, sort out things, and then hopefully go car hunting. I've got my brethren meeting me up there, so yes, you guys should be coming car hunting with me today. Wish me luck. So I visited this car dealership in Draxhall, and every single car in this dealership was out of my price range. Now, I've got a budget of 400,000, which I was willing to increase to 500,000, but the cheapest used car was 650,000, way out of my budget. I did see a Honda that I liked, a 2016 Honda, but that was going for 2 million Jamaican dollars, and when I did my conversions, that came up to be 11,000 English pounds. There's no way I'm paying 11,000 English pounds for a 2016 Honda. Most cars in Jamaica are actually imported from overseas, so I do believe this is the reason as to why they're so expensive. I'm actually considering looking at private sales, but if any of my subscribers that are watching or listening have any tips or any advice with regards to car hunting in Jamaica, guys, I would really appreciate your help. Please do leave your comments below if you have any tips or any advice for me, because guys, I need all the help I can get right now. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I will definitely be seeing you next time.